Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Authenticator to new phone. This process is going to be available for the iOS and also for Android. What we're going to do, basically, let's say that you have here the Google Authenticator into your phone. Either it is going to be Android or the iOS. Like that, and as you can see, this is my app. So at least we are going to have our Google account installed, and based on that Google account, it is going to automatically save the passwords that you've got in here. And these passwords are going to be basically saved for any type of let's say here device that you're going to implement the same account into it. So for example, if you're going to delete maybe this app, I'm going to delete it real quick. Just like that, I'm going to delete it. Then we are going to head over our app store and we're going to search for Google Authenticator, like that, Authenticator, and we're going to install it from scratch. You're going to have the app installed in just a few seconds. So after that, what we're going to do is to see that this app is going to demand an account from us. And if you have the same Google account that you have the let's say right there, the codes that you have from before, you're going to click on get started, and then you're going to use the Google account of yours. For example, you're going to choose one, and then you're going to find it right there, and it is going to give you the access for all the codes that has been available. So that was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.